Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to blend images in Canva. So for this, I am here on canva.com. Here in the left side, click on Elements and search for the background, or you can add two images if you want, but I will add a background from Elements. Let me choose a background. Once the background is selected, adjust it in the frame. So once it is adjusted, now add on the image that you want to blend. Go to uploads and upload the image that you want to blend. Now here we need to resize this image and also remove the background. Once the image is resized, click on edit image and there we have this BG remover. Click on it and it will automatically remove the background of the image. Now here on the top you will find this transparency option. Click on it and reduce the transparency at 70. Perfect. Now you can adjust the image here. If you want to change its location, then simply flip horizontal and you can set it in the right corner. In this way, you can blend images on Canva. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe us. Thank you for watching. Bye.